Should we show them your exercises? Okay, here we go. Ready? Up and up. And down and down. Up and up. Down and down. You don't like to be down though. You like to be up. Yes. You don't like to be down, do you? No. Okay, let's get up then. Okay, up, 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 up. You like to be up, don't you? Yes. Yes. You like to be up. You laughing girl. You're just a laughing girl. You're just a laughing girl. Okay, let's sit down. Okay, there we go. That's not so fun, is it? No. It's not fun. Yeah, that's not fun. Let's go stand up. Stand up. There we go. Yay! Stand up. That's so fun. That's so fun. Yes, that's so fun. Why is she in a giggling mode? Yes, I've never seen this before.
And this is August 4th. She's almost 5 months old now.
Almost.
Mom and Dad just went out to Culver's with Alyssa for our anniversary. Didn't we?
That was fun.
Yeah. After we had a daycare appointment.
Sit. Boom. Yeah. Can you sit by yourself? I know the answer to the question. We'll try it anyway. Oh, boom. Oh. Okay. Let's sit up. Here we go. Let's try again. See, you don't like to, you're not going to learn how to sit because you want to stand all the time. Look at that. Look at that. She's dancing. She's dancing. Do-do-do, do-do-do. Yeah. Boom. Yeah. 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 Yes.
Your mommy loves you.
Yes. Get it out. Here we go. Okay, I think I need to change your diaper.
Again?